Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very special home remedy. So guys can see this leaf that is here. It's very good. Can see it. This is cure cough and people that is deaf, that you didn't hear. When you use this leaf for them, the thing will help them to hear. So can see the leaf very fresh and it plenty. So guys, I will show you how you use it. I will tell you. If you plug the leaf like this, for our language we call it ebo. I don't know how other people call it. That is the name I know. I don't know any other name again. We call it ebo in our language. After you plug the leaf like this, then if you make fire, this charcoal fire, then you place it in the charcoal. You place this side on it. After you place it, you allow it like 1 second. You bring it out. You see that the leaf will soft. As you do like this, you see how it's strong. See how it's strong, what they do. But after you put it for fire, you see that the leaf will come soft. That you squeeze it. You squeeze it for the spoon, tablespoon. You squeeze the water on the tablespoon. If not small pikin, you drop a drop for his mouth to swallow it. But if not adult, you squeeze the water in the full spoon, tablespoon. Let the adult drink it. Do it morning and night for 3-4 days. You see that cough will disappear forever, to not come back again. This is for cough remedy. This is for cough medicine. This is home remedy. You can see this leaf in the market. You can see it in anybody's house. This is our house, especially where they put tank for water. Where water they drop, you see how the leaf will come out. If you even remove this thing this thing, if you plug one like this, let's say, let me show you something like this one there now. If you remove it like this, go and plant it. Before you know, everywhere go down full everywhere. If you remove one head like this and plant it in your backyard, before you know, everywhere don't full the leaf. The leaf can spread well. If you remove one plug and plant it for one place where water they touch every day, like you can see now. See our tank for up. See our tank for up. So water they drop. Water they drop sometimes if tank full. So water they pour for it. So they make the leaf they grow fast and they very fresh. And this is the rainy season. So I advise you guys to look for this leaf, plant it in your backyard, because it's a very good medicine. If you dey your house, anybody that have cough, both children, both adults, and when you plug it, just put it in the fire like 1 second. If you don't make charcoal, you can put light in the stove or gas. Just place it to make the leaf soft. After the leaf done soft, you squeeze it in the spoon. If not baby, as I say, it's not baby, just a drop for its mouth to swallow it. But if not adult, put it in the tablespoon, squeeze the water in the tablespoon, full it, let the adult drink it. Do it morning and night for 3-4 days. That cough will disappear forever. It's a very good medicine. And again, people that have ear problem, do it like that. Squeeze the water after frying it in the fire like 1 second. Squeeze it, the water, put a drop for that person ear. Do it like 3 days. That ear will clear and the person will hear very well. It's a very, very good medicine, and it's nice, and it's a nice leaf. You can see it very fresh. It full everywhere in our compound, in our backyard. So try it in your home and look for the leaf and plant it in your home. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment and share. Press that button, you see all my video. Comment and share. We meet again in my next video. I love you all. Bye.